Shyam from company Blum-Novotest Measuring and Testing Technology Private Limited, and I would like to welcome Mr. Vaibhav from Cosmos. Hi. And together we are trying to forge ahead the kind of a relation that we have further. To this beautiful exhibition, we have a very beautiful machine. What else we can ask for? Thank you for allocating such a nice machine. No problem. Not only the machine, with all the functionality that we wanted to exhibit, it's all done. Thank you so much, Shyam, for a warm welcome, and we are very happy that our machine is on your booth. It was a good idea that I speak about Bloom and you talk about Cosmos. There are different types of probes. One, there's a part inspection probe, and there are tool inspection probe in general, right? And in tool inspection, you have probes which can measure the length of the tool as well as the diameter of the tool, and that's what is all displayed over here. There are two versions of those probes. One is the contact type, where you have to actually touch the tool onto the sensor and measure the length or diameter, which is just going to happen now. And the second one is a non-contact type, where there is a laser beam which is passing through and it obstructs the beam and takes the length and diameter, which is relatively more precise, more accurate and more repeatable. The LC20 is a right answer, especially for the die and mold application and aerospace application. Okay. And now it is also put into the part manufacturing for the speed breakage detection here actually on the process control. Okay. That is where we bought out this software called POM Control X. Yes, so we machine it, measure it. Like if it is conforming to the requirement, it goes out of the machine, or the rework can be done within the same setup. You take it out, you're disturbing the setup, setting up takes a lot of time and you lose the accuracy. So this is what streamlining the process, what we are doing. This is our Smart Mill 80, SM80, what we call it. Very popular these days, and it has a very high speed, rapid rate. I think all the things are pretty much what you look at it, the ATC or a high speed spindle, ring coolant, shower coolant, a lot of things are loaded in this machine with right from the construction, the table quality or the quality of the casting, the processes that are used, mainly the assembly process, which is very unique at Cosmos, where every component is literally connected in a certain process driven method, and each and every mating part on the machine are all blue mat. So right from the column, so we follow blue matting even today, when most places it has gone outdated. But we believe that blue matting is extremely important. Yeah, and coming to the eventual output for a customer, if you look at the aesthetics, ergonomics, how easy it is to load the part, take out the part, our design team and our R&D team has taken excessive effort in making it very user-friendly. User-friendly to the customer is very important. I really congratulate top team Madan with you, even the team who has done all this thoughtful processes incorporated in the machine. The heart of the machine, how it has been built here, they explained it. Yeah. But even the aesthetics of the machine there. Please go around and see the machine. We have one machine here. They still have got many machines. Do visit and then interact with not only from the sales department, they also have the supporting team from the application and service. Yeah. You can interact and take the best out of the facilities that are available on the AMTEX exhibit.